Today, you're going to learn how to compress PDF files to reduce file size in the easiest and fastest way possible.
Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. All right, first things first. Just hop on Google and type compress PDF. That's it, no fancy steps. Google's going to show you a bunch of websites that can do the job. One of the easiest tools out there is Small PDF. So go ahead, click on the Small PDF website. When you're inside, you'll see a big button that says Choose Files. Click that, pick your PDF from your computer, and upload it. Now on the right sidebar, you'll see two options: Basic, medium size, regular quality; Strong, smaller size but lower resolution. On the free plan, you can only use strong compression once, so choose wisely, my friend. Once you pick your option, hit that Compress button. Give it a second, and your file is ready. On the right sidebar, press Download to save it to your computer. Want to save it straight to Google Drive or Dropbox? Just click the little down arrow next to the download button and pick what you want. Easy peasy. Last step, super important. After downloading, scroll to the trash can icon on the site. Click it, then hit Delete to remove your file from the service. Always good to keep your stuff private. And that's it, guys. See? Told you it's crazy simple. If this helps you out, do me a solid, hit that like button, drop a quick comment, and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Catch you in the next one.